Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a tech enthusiast or just someone looking to get the most out of your setup, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about the best settings for the Dell U2723QE 4K monitor in 2025. This bad boy is a favorite for creators, gamers, and professionals thanks to its stunning 4K resolution, vibrant colors, and eye-friendly features. But let's face it, out-of-the-box settings aren't always perfect, so I'll walk you through the optimal tweaks to make your viewing experience pop. First off, start with the basics. Set your resolution to 3840 by 2160 for that crisp 4K goodness. It's a must for this monitor. Next, adjust the brightness. For most indoor environments, aim for around 200 to 250 nits to reduce eye strain without losing detail. You can find this in the monitor's OSD menu under Display Settings. If you're in a brighter room, bump it up to 300 nits, but don't go overboard to avoid washed-out colors. Now, let's talk contrast. Set it to about 75% for balanced visuals. This helps maintain deep blacks while keeping highlights sharp, especially for movies or photo editing. For color accuracy, switch to the sRGB mode if you're doing everyday work, or go for Adobe RGB if you're into graphic design. It's all about matching your workflow. Don't forget sharpness. Keep it at default or slightly lower to prevent any unwanted pixelation. If your monitor supports it, enable HDR for enhanced dynamic range, but only if your content is HDR compatible. And for those long sessions, turn on the Comfort View feature to cut down on blue light and reduce fatigue. One more tip. Calibrate your monitor using built-in tools or a colorimeter for precise results. These settings might vary based on your specific setup, so experiment a bit. By the end, you'll have a monitor that's not just functional but absolutely stunning. There you have it. Simple steps to optimize your Dell U2723QE. If you try these out, let me know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.